Hi guys, we are going to drain the battery of Samsung Note 9 in this video. As you can see, the battery is fully charged now. And we have the mobile data, GPS and Wi-Fi turned on. We turn the screen to brightest level with the auto brightness turned off. We also turn the speaker volume to the highest level. And now we start to play YouTube videos until the battery is fully drained.
Enjoy shopping online, anytime, anywhere, on Shopee. Browse easily and find products from various categories. If you have questions about a product, use our live chat feature to chat with sellers in real time. Once you've placed your order, stay assured with Shopee Guarantee. It ensures that...
Tell me about the mission. Did you see anything?
Let's make sure the video quality is 1080p.
Like an alien, you mean? After 30 years of Predator movies, it's the right time to resurrect the franchise. And I'm blessed to have the
Let's
opportunity
unplug the cable
to play in that sandbox.
and we can start the stopwatch.
It's an honor. Say my name so my powers may flow through you. But I don't know your name, sir. Shazam. Are you for real?
The phone just turned off. And the timing is 9 hours and 17 minutes. Here we have a list of battery draining tasks that we have done on other phones. You may notice that X8 Plus has longer battery life than the Note 9. But Note 9 has larger screen and play video with 2 speakers. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.